Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, parents, wherever you are. Hope you're doing wonderful. On this particular video, I would like to share few FAQs by parents that I have received from past many years. What are the most frequently asked questions? As a parent, if you are considering buying Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3, there are a lot of parents that we have dealt with for past 5 to 8 years. So some of the questions might be very similar. Let's start with the first question. What is Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3? As you guys said, these are alternative medication. Is it a medicine? See, what we meant about alternative medication is these are high-end Ayurvedic products. And Ayurveda in India is a branch of medicine that has been studied and researched for various conditions involving neurodevelopmental conditions like autism, cerebral palsy, major cases where unfortunately conventional medicines doesn't have much to offer as of now. That said, these are alternative medication which helps in regenerating your brain cells. But categorically, if I look into the side of the US FDA, because US FDA is considered the most reputable institutions in the medical field. US FDA says that anything medicine should be prescribed. So though this is Ayurveda, they put it under the category of supplements or high-end supplements. So which means Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3 are high-end supplements for people who are not aware of Ayurveda. People who are aware of Ayurveda, they know that this is Ayurvedic medications. These are herbal ingredients. It doesn't have any side effects. Okay. The second question is, do we need a doctor's prescription for this medicine? You don't need a doctor's prescription. These are just high-end alternative medications prepared using herbal compositions. But yes, if a doctor has prescribed you some prescriptive medications, so you have to use those things. Please do not stop the medications, as it will have a chemical imbalance in your body. If a neurologist or a pediatrician, if someone has prescribed you the medicine, please use it. That's going to help you, help your child. Maintain 2 hours gap between Supra Brain, Vegan Omega 3 and the prescriptive medications. You don't need any doctor's prescription or any doctor's suggestion. You can take doctor's suggestion as long as you want. There's there's no rules about it. There's a lot of doctors in India who are prescribing our products. See, now when it comes to condition like autism, generally in conventional medicine doesn't have much to offer unless a child is extremely violent or a child is becoming arrogant and other things. So that's where you have certain medicines to calm down. But apart from that, there's not much. So what help do we offer? Stem cells transplant is a high-end alternative treatment, but that is very expensive. It is very expensive when it compared with other treatments. Yes, but I can tell you, Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3 by far have been very successful in giving those results. So you should be using Supra Brain Omega 3 if you are a parent of an autistic child, or if you're a parent of delayed milestones, global developmental delay. In short, you don't need a doctor's prescription for this answer. Supra Brain and Omega 3 is there in market for how long? So we are there in for market for 5 to 8 years, working in various countries. India, we have offices in Nigeria, Abuja specifically. We have an office in Nairobi. We have an office in Ghana. We have an office in Accra. We have an office in Johannesburg. There are a lot, and we have been sending our products from India using FedEx to various countries: US, Canada, Ireland, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Australia, New Zealand, various countries. So yeah, so in short, that's the answer. Is Supra Brain an autistic product? No, Supra Brain is not an autistic product. The reason we speak more about autism is because of the population. What I meant by population is 1 in 36 children are diagnosed by autism as per the CDC reports by 2023. So which means that number is going to increase. So autism is an epidemic condition right now. The lots and lots of children who are diagnosed by autism, generally boys are more prone to it versus girls. So as I said, it is not an autism product because of the population of autism. You see lot of children in this particular space using our products. So yes, that children with cerebral palsy, children with global developmental delay, children with other conditions, they all use Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3. So what are the other questions? Let me, okay, we have covered about what exactly is Supra Brain and Omega 3. We have covered that. Do we need a doctor's prescription? We have covered that. Is Supra Brain an autism product? We have covered that. Okay. Is Supra Brain only used by kids or children? Supra Brain is a brain and neuro product. It targets or it works on your brain regenerations and functionalities. So let me give you an example. Right now, for example, there's a gentleman who's going to a grocery shop for past 20-30 years. One fine day, he takes his car and he stands in front of that grocery shop, completely blank, not knowing that what is he doing right now. And remember, he's going to that shop for past 20-30 years. So now his brain has faded out. He doesn't know what he's doing. So he is diagnosed by kind of dementia, which is short-term memory loss, and that will further exacerbate. So now what happens is Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3, the reason he got that challenge is the brain cells is not getting enough of blood flow and oxygen flow. When we age little bit, what happens is the cells in the brain doesn't get enough blood and oxygen, and that's where the cell starts breaking up. And once the cell starts breaking up, so the neuron cells doesn't communicate with each other. So in adults, dementia, Alzheimer are most seen after a certain age. And Supra Brain Omega 3 being the regenerations, improving blood flow and oxygen flow, it starts working towards that. So you need to use Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3 for adults and children. Why is Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3 very costly? We have taken into considerations. See, we are not of course, regenerative. We are the high-end alternative regenerative medications, but we are not vitamins or normal, basic supplements. We are compared with high-end alternative treatments like stem cells transplant, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, low-level laser therapy, and all those things are very, very costly. $15,000, $20,000. If you compare those things with Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3, our products are very affordable. It's not that pricey. Now, what are the other things? Yes. I have, how do we make sure that this is a genuine product? If you are buying from ankletech.com, it's always going to be a genuine product. If you're buying from Abuja headquarters in Nigeria, that's a genuine product. If you're buying from Irene Care in Nairobi, it's a genuine product. So yes, in different Ghana, Accra, and also Johannesburg, make sure that you buy from the proper agency in South Africa or in Ghana, but rest of things we have our office there. So what are the most other asked questions? So will my child be cured in Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3? See, again and again I've been explaining this to parents that autism is not a disease that can be cured. Autism is a delayed milestones to achieve certain parameters. And Supra Brain Vegan Omega 3 has the ability to achieve those parameters if you use it for 6 to 9 months. Most of the milestones are achieved from there. So you have to start using Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3. How soon can we expect results from Supra Brain and Omega 3? See, Supra Brain and Vegan Omega 3 are regenerative medication. It doesn't give you results in a day or in a 15 days. If you're expecting certain things like that, I'm sorry, that might not be that it might not support you. But what it does is it starts improving the blood flow and oxygen flow. There are 3 stages involved in it. Stage 1 is 0 to 3 months, wherein we get the blood flow and oxygen flow continuously hitting the neuron cells, hitting the brain cells, so the regeneration starts taking into shape. The second stage is 3 to 6 months, wherein we see most of the visible improvements. You see improvements which are visible more often. The third stage is 6 to 9 months, wherein children achieve all those milestones which are delayed, mostly, unless it is a cerebral palsy child or a global developmental child, because these are little complex cases. And in those complex cases, you have to use for a longer period of time. So Supra Brain Vegan Omega 3 needs to be used minimum of 9 months. It can be used as long as you want. So these are high level FAQs. We have covered Supra Brain, about Supra Brain, where it is produced. It is an Indian product. It is produced in India. We have all those proper certifications and regulations that a product need to go out of the country. There are various parameters, various governing institutions that are involved into it when the product goes outside of the country. And rest assured, if it goes outside of the country, if it reaches you directly, which means it has gone under customs. And many a time customs has also seen and checked the product before you receive it. Sometimes what happens is, we charge a certain amount for shipping fees and other conditions. Sometimes customs might charge you $5-10, which is not in our control, because that is in the control of the customs at the particular countries. So yes, if that comes in, once in a while you might have to pay that, which is not in control of Venkeltech, which is not in control of anything, because they're completely different institutions involved in it. And we have covered most of these FAQs that you need, that a parent might have a question. So how my child can be cured, and many parents also think that prices, whatever the prices is quote in USD, when we buy it from the local country, the prices will be different. No, we maintain an equilibrium of price, even though you buy it from India, you buy it from other US, Canada, other countries. Prices are mostly same in all countries. So maybe a little bit here and there. In India, we don't charge you shipping fees, but in other countries, we charge you shipping fees. So mostly parents, okay, I have done stem cells transplant. Do you think this product can help me? And how it can help me? See, majority of the parents who have done stem cells transplant, they have seen certain changes. I am not against stem cells transplant, but many have come to us and given the feedback that after stem cells transplant, we have seen certain changes, but after using Supra Brain and Omega 3 for 9 months, we have seen a different child altogether. What are the various, the parents says, what are the various things that they have seen? In general, parents, the results that we have seen using Supra Brain and Omega 3, better eye contact, better speech, and listening, self-awareness, writing, food, no more slapping, no more becoming violent, no more becoming closing ears, potty trained, no more droolings. See, almost everything we have achieved. But also remember what happened. There's something which is called ROS, reactive oxygen species. Some children have different ways of absorbing things in their body. It is completely different. So what you should not be comparing one child with another child. If you're comparing, then we are doing a big mistake. What your child can achieve is what we can focus on. Yes, testimonies we share to make sure that we have this product is effective. But I always tell parents, do not look at the testimonies and start making your order. Start looking into it, what this product brings into the picture. The product is very capable of supporting the child unless and until you are get consistent. If you're not consistent, if you're using it for 1 month or 2 months and say, oh, I'm not getting results, I will not use Suprabi Nikin, you are anyway not going to see any results, because we have told you